way to support gifted learners' social emotional development is by providing challenging tasks that promote a productive struggle amongst students. I'm going to model for you a math challenge for 5th grade students that can promote a productive struggle. I will also be modeling feedback and encouragement that you can use with your students that represents a culture of growth mindset. This math challenge is called the tax collector. Prior to doing this activity, students have learned about factors, prime numbers, and composite numbers. Students should work in groups of 2 to 3 to solve this math challenge. Students can solve it on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. I display this slide for my students and read the directions aloud. The directions are as follows. I have 12 envelopes numbered 1 to 12. Each contains a number of dollars equivalent to the number on it. The game starts with you taking one of the envelopes. The money inside is yours to keep, but the tax collector will then take all of the remaining envelopes whose number is a factor of the envelope you took. The tax collector must be able to take at least one envelope every turn. Play continues until you can no longer take an envelope, at which point the tax collector will take any remaining envelopes. What is the most amount of money you can get? So once I've gone over these directions with the students, I have them summarize the challenge with the person sitting next to them. Then I pause and ask for questions. As students are working, I like to walk around the room and listen to their ideas. For the first 10 minutes of the challenge, I don't confirm any answers. Instead, I offer encouragement. Your encouragement should be specific, strategy-focused, and promote a growth mindset. ChatGPT is a great resource for generating statements of encouragement that you can use throughout the activity. For example, strategy-focused encouragement could be, try working backwards from the envelopes with the biggest numbers. What happens if you take one of those early? ChatGPT 2025. An example of a growth mindset feedback could be, struggling is part of thinking hard. That's what powerful brains do. ChatGPT 2025. Or you might say, mistakes help us learn and solve problems. Don't be afraid to make a mistake and try again. Pairing a challenge activity with effective encouragement can help students in developing a growth mindset. This can also be beneficial to gifted learners who struggle with perfectionism. It also allows them to see that mistakes are okay and even welcomed.